I have a 2014 Dodge Avenger, and we're going to be replacing the lower engine splash shield. Right here are a list of the tools I use to replace the splash guard on a 2014 Dodge Avenger. A drill with a 1/8 drill bit, a cordless ratchet, a 7mm socket, a 10mm socket, a clip removal tool, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. I'm going to take this clip removal tool, I'm going to go ahead and slide it under here and remove that plastic clip retainer. Seven millimeter socket. I'm gonna loosen all of the 7mm bolts around here. There's a Phillips head screw. I'm gonna take that out as well, but let's go ahead and finish going along here. Okay. Phillips head screw. Okay, I'm gonna come down here because the screw's stuck. I'm gonna take some pliers. Take some pliers and hold the back of this screw while I unloosen it. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to the sides and remove any screws that are holding on the sides as well. Two more Phillips head screws here. Go ahead and loosen those. Okay. Now we're gonna go to the wheel wells and unloosen and unbolting any clips in the wheel well. Okay, we got a clip here and a clip there. Let's go ahead and remove those. Okay, we're gonna go to the other side and do the same thing. Okay, we have 4 Two 10mm screws. One here, one there. I'm gonna go ahead and do some lines. Okay, getting somewhere. Okay, there's only one clip on this side. We're gonna go ahead and remove this one here. Okay. Now we go back to the bottom and start to remove the splash guard completely. Also, there is a third 10mm bolt right here. Gonna slide the new one in. Slide this in. Make sure you slide it over the front bumper cover. Make sure to line all your screws up. Take the 10mm bolts. Let's go ahead and put those three 10mm bolts back in. I'm going to take out 7mm screws and put those back in around the edges. Okay, let's go to the side. Go ahead and put these clips back in on the sides. Make sure to line up that. Make sure those holes line up. So you may have to put a hand under that splash guard to keep it from moving. Take my pliers, go behind this bolt here and hold it while I take my other ratchet and remove it. Okay, this one is missing a retainer, so I'm going to screw hole into the side to keep that fender liner from flapping during while it's going down the road. I'm gonna go back to the bottom and tighten up everything. fold it back down. You got all your 7mm back in place. Gotcha. 3 10mm. 1, 2, 3. Your screws back in and your clips on the side. All right.